Hey Russell students, I am back out in your garden today. First time after winter break, so let's just take a look around and see if anything is happening. So first things first, we used to have a tree right there, so we don't have a tree anymore. We cut another one down right over there. Our garden beds are looking pretty good. I'm seeing a lot of hay and I'm also seeing a lot of green. All right, so here is one of our beds full of our winter rye. So we have talked about our winter rye for a while now, and it is growing up. It's about that far up on my hand. Let's see if I can pull it out and see what the roots look like. Oh, I don't think we'll be able to get to some roots today because our soil is frozen solid. Ugh, yeah, I can't even dig a little bit up, but that's pretty neat because our winter rye is still alive along with some of our other plants. Another plant we have is our really lovely perennial lilac here. So this is still growing well. And then you can see all of our main beds down this row have winter rye. We got this bed over here with winter rye. And everything else is still pretty much the same. So I haven't looked inside of our hoop house since winter break, so let's take a look and see how things are growing in there. All right, open it up. All right, so there's a few different things growing right now, and you'll see our soil in here is totally fine. It's cold, but it's not frozen. So we have our radishes that are growing up. We have our kale right here. So I pulled out this kale because I was worried that it might have a little pest, but it looks like it just has some frost on it. So this kale is all fine. You can see when it touches my skin, it melts away. So this plant will grow into leaves we love to eat, but I'm gonna try this tiny one. Okay, some winter-grown garden fresh kale. It tastes really nice and rich. It's pretty sweet. That'll make a delicious salad. These are at a baby green stage of growing, so let's see what else is in here. All right, not too much else. We do have a few beets growing that I transplanted, and one thing that's looking pretty good is our spinach. So it's gotten some spinach leaves. You can see its first two leaves it started out with, and then these leaves that look like what we know as spinach. Got another one back there, so a little spinach crop, but it's still growing.